If a generator has lost power, associated warning lights come on. The generator off bus light indicates that the associated generator breaker is open. The bus off light indicates that the associated generator bus is unpowered. Two circumstances could cause these lights to come on. Either the generator breaker is open and the field relay is closed, or both the breaker and the relay are open. Let's look at the first possibility. Now read the meter indications for generator 1. Touch the correct switch. The normal AC meter readings for generator 1 indicate that the field relay is closed. You may consider reconnecting generator 1 to generator bus 1 to accomplish this. Touch the correct switch. Now, let's look at the second possibility. This time, the AC meters are reading to the far left, indicating that the field relay is open. If unable to use the generator, consider starting the APU to power the affected generator bus with the APU generator.